Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto E40 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first, let's see that we have the same wallpapers on the lock and home screen, and just to change the lock screen wallpaper we should launch the settings application, and after that tap here to display section, then tap here to wallpaper, and now we can select our new device wallpaper from our device photos or default wallpapers. For example, let's use this one. If you wanna use the online or more wallpapers, you should be connected to the internet or to another mobile data. For example, we can use our device photos. Just tap here allow you, and if you have some photos just taken on your device camera, so I'll just take the photo, sorry. And now let's go back here to the camera photos. So let's use my photos. Just let's select this picture and we can just set it on our device lock screen. We can see how that will look on the lock screen of our device. Tap on the right down corner to OK and select lock screen. Now we can see that our wallpaper is set successfully, and let's lock the device and we can see that we just successfully changed lock screen wallpaper on our Motorola device. If you wanna use the online demo wallpaper, you should just be connected to the internet. I'll just will connect to the Wi-Fi. Now our device successfully connected to this network. Let's just go back to the wallpaper, tap here to wallpapers, and now we can see the new folders with different, for example with the cityscape, with the arts, with the colors. For example, let's use one from these wallpapers here. For example, I'll use this one. Just we can see how that will look on the lock screen. Tap on the right down corner, click lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.